Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Data science and data analytics. Are they the same? If you are into the world of data or if you are considering a career in the field of data, probably you have heard one of these terms, data scientist and data analyst. In this video, we'll quickly go through them and find out what is the difference. Data science is about using raw data to address and solve business problems. It is more of a process that has a life cycle of 7 phases. The first phase is to clearly define the problem. Once we have defined the problem, next phase is to extract data relevant to this problem from a big data source. The extracted data would probably have some errors that need to be cleaned and prepared in the next phase, which is called data preparation. Once we have cleaned our data, it's time now to explore the data to see what makes sense, what doesn't. Then we apply feature engineering knowledge to extract some features from the data. Now, since we have our data prepared and engineered, it's time to build a model, which is probably a machine learning model that involves some coding. The model could be a predictive model to predict future, or it could be to analyze and understand patterns in the data to come up with insights and recommendations to support decision making. And last phase is data visualization, which is to tell a story about the outcome of the process or the project. Knowledge and skills that you might need as a data scientist includes R, Python, big data platforms, and database knowledge, such as SQL. Data analytics, on the other hand, could be considered as a subset of data science, and it is basically about analyzing data to answer some questions. We could be analyzing data to understand what happened in a past event, and this is called descriptive data analytics. For example, if I have the data of 6 months of sales, I might be trying to answer questions like what was the total sales, which month has the highest sales, which month has the lowest, which product is the highest selling, which product is the lowest, and so on. So this is called descriptive data analytics, describing what happened in a past event. We could be also analyzing data to diagnose what happened in a past event, and this is called diagnostic data analytics. Why the sales were high in this month, why the sales were low in this month, and so on. We could be also analyzing data to predict what will happen in the future, and this is called predictive data analytics. For example, if I have the data of 6 months of sales, I can use this data to predict what would be the sales in the coming months. And last type of data analytics is prescriptive data analytics, and this is about analyzing the data to come up with recommendations and set up goals. For example, we can analyze data and analyze different scenarios, and we can tell according to the data, if we are doing this, we are reducing the cost by this. If we are doing this, we are increasing the efficiency by this, and so on. And this is prescriptive data analytics. Some of the knowledge and skills that you need as a data analyst include database knowledge, statistical analysis, and data visualization. This is the end of this video. Thank you very much.